Hi, I'm Paul Grissom. I'm the data management specialist at Pacific Ag Rentals out of Sleeves, California. Pacific Ag Rentals is a company that we rent equipment and sell equipment to the farmers from coast to coast. A lot of the processes that we had was extremely manual. A lot of it was spreadsheet based. I was tasked with having to report to my sales team what was their progress, what was their results. Obviously, it was a huge time user, and it was also the same mode and thought process was applied through different divisions in the company. Now up to 15 branches and pushing up close to 300 employees and 4,000 pieces of equipment. The data flow has to move a lot quicker and has to be a lot more accurate. When we got to a month-end close, it would typically take us between sometimes 15-ish days, 2 weeks, to maybe sometimes a little bit more, depending on the time of the year. I was spending probably upwards of a week a month, accumulating information, digesting it, and then putting it in a presentable format for the team to be able to interpret. Beginning of the month, you never wanted to go to the finance office to go say hi and see how everyone's doing, because they were under the gun to get those answers produced in a timely fashion. So we ended up choosing Acterys. It was easily integratable to a lot of the products and tools that we had already currently developed. We could mold the system to operate how we wanted it to. Within a matter of a week or so, Acterys gave us that ability to scale, to model, to connect, to build out to our heart's content, and be future-proof as best as we can that we know about today. With Acterys in place, being able to tap into live information as business is happening has been proven invaluable. It's giving us not only that rear view mirror look and having a consistent result standpoint from it, but also tapping into more of the real-time results, so that way we can try to start modeling more future-looking information as we continue to evolve. It took us 2 weeks-ish to close the books for the month. Typically, we've been seeing about a 5-day period to close the books. That's been a phenomenal improvement in time efficiency. Our focus now can be more into how do we become more efficient as a company. That whole encompassing picture of the company from a financial basis looks like we're all looking at the same thing. I want a coffee cup that says single source of truth on it. The best part is, since we've done this, is that I haven't heard anyone complain about the spreadsheets broken again.